shasha mfesimo rasesibonene shashazana silvere wakwenza kawaqaqa upresident wakuleli umnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi oh no abantu bokufika abayindawo like even though engakushongo lokho but uyasho zinganza kwethu laphana uyasho ukuthi abantu bokufika okanye nje abantu base-Afrika basizwe kanjani lelizwe ngezikhathi zokulwela lelizwe ukuthi kube ilizwe elikhululekile. So with all that being said, that is crystal clear ukuthi oh no umnumzane uRamaphosa ahambisane nokuthi kuthiwa abantu bokufika abahamba okanye bahlokonyezwe kwakusho nangaphambilini and lento ke bathi sifele sidindele because sambona eZimbabwe sabona I think recently uyile eBotswana noma usazwa eBotswana aningi nje amazwe azowahambela futhi yabona ngempela le peace ufuna ukuyenza sicabanga ukuthi kungekudala mhlambe it's possible. I'm not saying into ezokwenzeka, it's possible ukuthi singabona mhlambe kutshala namasosha ukuthi amobhala izisimo because uNamaphosa mina nje to be honest angiboni ukwenzeka ayike krokani nambe angiboni into enjalo yenzeka futhi usekukhombise kaningi ukuthi ngeke yenzeke but anyway la uzweni.
The Order of Companions of O.R. Tambo recognizes eminent foreign nationals for friendship that they have shown to our country over many years. We did not win our freedom alone. We were carried by a great tide of human solidarity that stretched across our continent and the entire globe. We owe a great debt to the many leaders, peoples, and nations who supported us. By honoring them with the national orders, we reaffirm our enduring commitment to peace and friendship with all nations based on our shared values of equality and dignity.